is one of my projects I'm building, and I started off with, believe it or not, a lawnmower frame. Ended up turning it into a tow truck. I got a lot of hours on this. Just been piecing together with scrap, pieces of metal, really. Watch out, son. Yeah. I think it's going pretty good. I got the drivetrain hooked up. It's a belt drive for now. I still have a lot to do. 20 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. Shifter right here. Working on the seat. Got a differential for a winch. It's actual differential with electric motor on it. Working on this side. All the way up. Crane hook. Still working on all that. I gotta hook up. Careful. Yeah. I want to get a video of that. I'll have another video soon when I get finished with it, but that's it.